card is shown. Suarez is sent off. Well, you couldn't have a more dramatic finish to a World Cup match than this one. Asamoah Gyan has the opportunity to send Ghana into the semi-finals of the World Cup. And he hits the bar!
13 years ago, a goal line handball by Uruguayan striker Luis Suarez denied Ghana a place in the World Cup semi-finals in 2010, and this happened in the final minutes of extra time during their quarter-final clash. The incident was one of the most controversial events of the history of the tournament, and it denied Ghana a chance to become the first African nation to reach the semi-finals of the competition. Similarly, a goal was not awarded to Frank Lampard when his shot crossed the line during England's FIFA World Cup round of 16 defeat to Germany in South Africa 2010. FIFA President Sepp Blatter suggested the organization would alter its views on goal line technology and look at the possibility of introducing it in the future. Fast forward today, goal line technology has made remarkable strides, and in this video we will delve into its functioning and explore the transformative impact it has had on the world of football. My name is Vision Morgan. If you like this type of content, then kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. In July 2012, and after 9 months of testing in multiple countries, a significant decision was made in Zurich to introduce goal line technology to soccer. Out of 8 sport companies that were tested, Hawkeye and GoalRef successfully completed the process and were granted FIFA goal line technology license, which allowed them to collaborate with football leagues and associations globally. This initiative marked a pivotal moment in enhancing the accuracy and integrity of the game. What is goal line technology? Goal line technology is a system that uses physical cameras or changing magnetic fields to track the ball and determine if it has crossed the goal line. If the ball crossed the line, an encrypted signal is transmitted to the referee, who can then decide whether to award the goal or not. The concept of goal line technology or system doesn't refer to a single stand-alone technology. Rather, this technological solution manifests in diverse ways. The choice of method hinges on considerations like cost of equipment, expenses for setup, and the duration required for analysis and decision making. These technological solutions include either the deployment of physical cameras to track the ball's trajectory or the manipulation of fluctuating magnetic fields. Hawkeye was introduced in 2013-2014 Premier League season and has since been embraced by football leagues like Bundesliga, La Liga, and Serie A. Hawkeye's technology is a prominent system that is used in various sports stadiums. It employs 14 sophisticated cameras placed around the stadium, meaning 7 at each goalpost. These cameras track the ball's movement accurately and use triangulation to calculate its precise location relative to the goal line. After capturing the location of the ball, a software is used to calculate the position of the ball. This precision is impressive considering the ball's high speed at an average of 120 km per hour. When the ball completely crosses the goal line, an encrypted signal is quickly sent to the referee through a watch or earpiece to confirm the goal. GoalRef technology made its debut in the 2012 Club World Cup, introducing a more automated approach to goal decision making. It involves a passive electronic circuit that is implanted in the ball to generate a low-frequency magnetic field across the goal line. The electronic circuit consists of 3 copper coils placed between the bladder and the surface panel of the ball. Antennas responsible for producing the magnetic fields are positioned on the crossbar and parallel goalposts. When the ball crosses the goal line, these antennas detect the changes in the magnetic field and sends this signal to a computer. The computer quickly determines whether the ball has completely crossed the line, and if it has, a goal alert is transmitted to the referee in half a second. In certain circles, there remains skepticism towards goal line technology. This skepticism stems partly from concerns about diminishing of the human elements of the game, and partly due to occasional confusion or nonsensical outcomes. An illustrative incident occurred during the 2014 World Cup match between France and Honduras, where a goal signal was triggered despite the ball not crossing the line. This led to considerable confusion among coaches and commentators reviewing the replays. Recently, several leagues have taken an additional step by introducing review systems that empower referees to revisit their prior actions. This allows them to rectify their errors or seek assistance when uncertain. And although this may slow down the pace of the game, it is rather adding a layer of consistency and integrity. Such interruptions in a fast-paced sport has perturbed both fans and players. The new technology holds the promise of eliminating even the faintest traces of human bias and the errors arising from distant or obstructed refereeing. However, it has also ushered in a transformation where the sport becomes heavily reliant on impartial computer judgment. This prompts a thought-provoking question. If we ensure absolute infallibility, what then differentiates a live game of football from a digitally simulated one? My name is Vision Morgan. If you liked watching this video, kindly like it and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you.